Hey everyone, Silverlimey79 here. We're going to go and have a look at another Isle of Man coin today. Obviously you saw the Noble in the previous, in one of the previous videos. This is the second in the series. It's called the Angel. I'll go through some history on it shortly. This is the coin here. It's the Archangel Michael slaying the dragon. It's done in a proof finish. So obviously you can see the frosted finish on the top there with the mirror background. The detail is fantastic here. You can see the flames there coming out of the dragon's mouth there on the left. Very nice indeed. You can see some of the dragon scales there on the tail, on the body, the wings. Archangel Michael there as well with a halo above it. Details there with the wings, the feathers. It's really an awesome, it's a very nice piece. Limited to 15,000 pieces, so very much like the Noble. If you guys are looking at getting a Noble, also get the Angel. I would recommend that. Obviously it's your decision at the end of the day, but if it's limited to 15,000 and based on this coin and its history, I wouldn't want to miss out. I've got two of them. We'll look at the back here. So we've got Queen Elizabeth II. Very nice bust, I must admit. Again, the detail there, fantastic in the crown, the hair. You can see there the earring there, the facial details. The frosting is really good. The necklace as well really stands out. If you have a look at it, it really does stand out. You can see it says Queen Elizabeth II, Isle of Man, mirror background. They've also got that sort of chain look similar to the Noble as well, which goes round around the sides, and then just at the top here you can see the Isle of Man symbol. Obviously detailing there, AG 909 1 ounce angel. It's a very nice piece. I'd definitely have one in your collection. I'm sure you guys pretty much know it. It's a lovely coin. I've just kept it encapsulated. Obviously I don't want to open it, being proof. It's a very nice design. In regards to some history, it is basically Edward IV, who was King of England at the time. He decided there was some recoinage, because previously the Noble was which is the Noble that you saw earlier, what that was based on. The Noble was before the Angel, and they decided they were going to bring out a new coin, and the Angel replaced the Noble. In fact, it was called the Angel Noble. But it was very well received, and it pretty much lasted for about 180 years in English coinage, and up until Charles I. The Unite then replaced the Angel. But a very nice piece all the same. Just here we go. This is my Spink book I got out last time. I'll see if I can lift this up. Just bear with me a sec. Oh, damn, a bit of shadow there. That is what we want to look at. And that is just going to lift this up. And that's what the Angel used to look like. So a very similar design there with the dragon, the Angel Michael, and then just obviously it's got a kind of boat symbol on the back. Obviously that doesn't depict on the newer version. Very nice. Period, probably around 1460 thereabouts. Between, I think it was a 1464, 1460 something. So it's within that sort of time period. Thank you very much for joining me on another one of my videos. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and it's the first time you've seen this coin. Lovely detail. I'm going to be releasing some more videos over the next couple of days. The gore is currently active, so don't forget to have a look at the gore, see what prizes can be won. Thank you all so very much. Your support is well appreciated. Thanks for joining me on this video, and I look forward to doing many more. Thank you very much, and enjoy your day.